NAGA rava regular-ஆ நாங்கள் more than 25 years-ஆ யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். Not just because they are family friends. We usually take rava நல்ல ரோஸ்டடாக இருக்கும். ரவை உப்புமா சூப்பராக இருக்கும், கிச்சடி நல்லா இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி நாகா ஃப்ளோர் இருக்குது பாருங்கள், கோதுமை, அதுவும் சூப்பராக இருக்கும். கோதுமை மாவு மற்ற ஐட்டம்ஸ் எல்லாம் நாகாவில் என்னென்ன இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் நாங்கள் ரெகுலராக வாங்குறோம்.
Come to this event. Every year I see this event like going on. Every time miss பண்ணிடுவேன். This time I was like கண்டிப்பா வந்துடணும் அப்படின்ட்டு I came with a friend. Like even after duty we were like we had to come அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we came. We were just looking around and like tasting different items like என்னென்னமோ இருக்கு. Like there are cheesecakes and there are brownies, there are truffles and cakesல இருந்து தான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா there is also like this pet adoption program, everything going on and pet friendly. அதோட இப்போ கூட I'm trying from their shop over there, baking tales of Ray abdinta, and it's like so yummy and like chocolatey.
Yeah, nice chocolatey. Like it's a good idea putting like a big like a cookie but in like a pizza like slices. It's a good idea.
Very innovative that we haven't seen and very yummy also. Like we started eating it. Very nice. Talk about the other some of the shops here as well, like Game of Bakes Apla. Anga kuda like they have like very innovative stuff and very, I feel like everyone should support these home bakers is what I would say at the end. So have fun.
It's a very good like event like for all these home bakers to show their like creations, like ideas and like for the public to like try it out and like give their opinions. So yeah, it's a nice program.
Do support them. Thank you.
They have 3 winners. I'm not sure, out of 34 bakers, and I'm not sure if those products are still available, but if they are, after we announce, you can rush there and get those products.
First of all, thank you to everyone who have baked, tasted, voted and made today's the event a huge success. So I think that the talent which was on display is incredible. First winner, let's go with third, Vanilla and Sin, and the category is fusion category, Millet Fuel. So can I have the?
Can we have someone from Vanilla and Sin come on stage, please?
No.
Winners in this. One is Bakeman Begins. And can I have them over here, please? The dessert is berry and
Can we please have the Bakeman Begins team on stage? Guys, don't feel shy. Please come. Come.
Can you announce again?
the next category is sweet chance. We're all waiting for you. And the dish which they won is strawberry white chocolate cake. Congratulations.